guys, back with another video. I'm doing another gig economy Poplin order. I'm picking up my first one now. I have two different customers. I'm at the first person's house now. A little rainy out here today, but we're on our way to pick up the first customer's bag. I think she only had one bag. Let's see. Yes, one bag. All right, just put them in the car. On our way to the next customer. Here we go. Okay, guys, on our way to our next customer. Customer 2.
May be affected by coastal flood warning.
I had 2 orders today. One was a special request, which I just had her. What's today? Today is Thursday. And I just had her, I want to say, I just turned in some orders, an order with her Saturday. So less than a week ago. And she requested me. So like I said, if you look at my last video, I was saying that if you use softeners, you know, items that we're not really obligated to use, all we obligated to do is use, you know, certain laundry detergent, which is Tide, Persil, P-E-R-S-I-L, and Kirkland. Those are the only detergents that you can use with Poplin laundry service. And you're not obligated to use any bleach, fabric softener. But I use these items because when you use these items, I find out your tips are bigger, and also that people will request you often. Granted, yes, you have some that you just can't make happy in the littlest things. Because I just got a bad review the other day, and the lady said that the clothes were wrinkled. Okay, but then if you look at my other customers, constantly great scores, constantly giving me higher and higher tips. And also, if you look at the other video, I said I also add a little gift with every order. No matter how many times a person orders with me, I'm going to give them a little gift in their bag. So, and that just keeps them, you know, coming back. So anyway, we're on our way to customer 2 to pick up his order, and I'll be back when we get close. Let me see where I'm at first. Okay, guys, we're getting closer to customer 2, and I believe he has 2 bags. So we're on our way. Yes, I had this customer before. I remember this customer. Definitely remember this customer.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay. Oh, Lord, they got the black bags, which I hate. hate when they have these black bags. Trying to get this out of here. There we go. Ooh. Oh man, it's three bags. Okay. Alright guys. I'm at home. Get the stuff out of here. On the way, get one of them out right now. Let's take this in the house. I'm going to, like I always say, first thing I do, sorry it's a little dark in here, but I gotta get some lights on. Like I said, the first thing I do is grab me some gloves. And that's the first thing I do. And it's wet outside. It's for like the bottom of my shoes. I mean, my pants are wet. Might have to end up folding them up. But I'll be right back with y'all in a second. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is putting my gloves on. And hold on, I forgot to see what kind of detergent she wanted. Normally, she usually wants. Alright, yeah, guys, I'm back. She wants the regular, so this is what I use. I want regular. Alright, so again, the process is put it on cold water. This is going to look like one large load. That's it. Putting this in. Her clothes in. So, get this started. And like I said, I add extra stuff. Like I'm going to add some of this in there. You don't have to do all this, but like I said in the video, the more extra items you put in this laundry, your tip's going to reflect that. So, all this laundry out. So yes, her stuff is going to be just one load. And I'm sure she didn't have much, because like I said, I remember having just doing her. And I turned her load in. I just turned a load in for her Saturday. So, and she only had one load that day too. One full load. So let's put this in. All this in. And put a little bit more detergent. Alright. That's it. That's it. Let's put a little bit more of this stuff in here because it's a little dark in here. Because she had wet towels in there, and you know how that can be when you have wet towels. It has that little smell to it. Alright, we'll just wait for that load to finish. Then we'll put it in the dryer. Alright, this is what I have. And now she had this in 2 bags, which as you can see is not all the way full. And this is the load, starting it. shut the door and wait for this clothes to finish before I put it in the dryer. Okay, I have all the clothes in the dryer. Customer A laundries and that's already been washed, and now I started the dryer. Now I'm about to start on customer B laundry. Hope you guys can see me, but fix this. I'm scared if I keep messing with it, it's gonna fall again. But that one thing I don't like is when these customers put their laundry in these big black bags, and they have them so heavy that you can't lift them. I don't know who they think we are. They must think we're not human. Now, granted, they were in big, black bags, but I can say that they didn't have the bags too heavy for me. But a lot of times when these customers put these things, fix this video. A lot of times when these customers use these black bags, they think we're not human. I don't know what they think. We can't lift this stuff. So a lot of times I try to avoid them going back because I know they don't act like they don't have common sense. Or if I happen to miss it and someone does, I have to divide the laundry, take some out. Now from their house I would just drag it to my car, but once I get to my home, I'll get a laundry basket, bring it to the car, divide some of the laundry, take it in, and then come back and get the black bag. That way it won't be so heavy for me. But yeah, that's the only one of the downfalls about doing laundry service. Another is you may have customers who may just lie. I mean, like I just told you that a lady said her laundry was wrinkled, and then I remember a time there was a storm in our area and the lights went out. So, and she knew because her lights was out. She complained. We didn't know. Well, I don't know if I knew it was a storm. I knew it was raining. Yeah, I knew it was raining, but I didn't know the lights were going to go out. So come to find out, the lights went out in our area. Maybe I should have watched the news better. I don't know. So her laundry was returned a day later. And, throughout the process, of course, I was keeping her updated. She knew. But, of course, she wanted free stuff. And just like most of them, they just want free stuff. And I mean, this woman, during the storm, when the lights went out, she had so much and then the kicker was her excuse when she called support was she had a death in the family, and her grown children and her grandchildren didn't have clean clothes. What? Are you kidding me right now? But the clothes that was in these black bags, I mean, it was a lot of clothes. You wouldn't have wore those to no funeral. I'm hoping, but then again, I don't know. But yeah, well, that was her excuse. But I knew we knew that was a lie. So they didn't give it to her free, well, she probably thought. They just gave her a discount off. And I did get paid. But sometimes if they lie, I know in the very beginning, we'll do this laundry. There's a half time, once or twice, I've done laundry and didn't get paid because the customer will lie. So I guess they got used to that, and they said, we can't do this. These people are doing the work, but these customers are lying. So yeah, you'll get paid. So there's a couple of downfalls, but like I said, I've been doing this since April of 2019. I love it because number one, I can work from home. Number two, I can do it on my own time. Number three, you meet nice people. Four, you get good tips. 5, I use it to continue to pay off my vehicle. 6, I use it for when I want to travel, so vacation. So anyway, it's good income if you put your mind to it. And you got to work. It's not easy work sometimes. You got to work hard. But there has been times, because sometimes we get like a email about how much somebody can make using Poplin. It used to be called SuchShare, and it was this one young lady. She made $5,000. I'm talking about in 1 month. But I'll say I'm gonna round it off to maybe 4,000, because you still have to buy your detergent. And if you use what I'm saying, ribbons, you got to count that. And the reason most people use different stuff that we're not obligated, because it's up to tips. You get bigger tips. And I even have a client that requests me a lot, but she doesn't as recently now, and that's because I work all the time. She probably knows it because I told her. Even during Christmas, she gave me a card with $25, and so it's good income, good extra income. But anyway, good guys, I'll be back with you. Well, right now I'm on my way to my job, and then when I get off work, then I'll put you back on when I take the laundry in my home to get started. Okay, customer A1. Customer 1, this order is complete. Now go back and finish up customer B /1. I mean /2.